Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show how to find all your form submissions on Facebook using your PC, especially with the new Facebook layout. If you've ever filled out a form through Facebook and later needed to review the information you submitted, you may have noticed that it isn't always easy to find. Fortunately, Facebook keeps this information in your account settings. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the Facebook website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once Facebook is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will open another menu with several options. Click on Settings to continue. Now, look at the Settings menu on the left side of the page. Find and select Activity Log. The activity log contains a record of many actions and activities connected to your Facebook account. On the activity log page, find the section called Personal Information. Click on it to expand the available options. Next, select Saved Information. This section contains information that Facebook has stored from different activities and interactions connected to your account. Look for the option labeled Form Submissions and click on it. Facebook should now display the form submissions associated with your account. Depending on your activity, you may be able to review the forms you previously completed, including information submitted through Facebook ads, pages, or other services. Keep in mind that the available information may vary depending on when you submitted the form and whether the form is still supported by Facebook. If you don't see any submissions, make sure you're using the correct Facebook account and check the section again carefully, and that's it. You now know how to find all your form submissions on the Facebook app through a PC using the new update.